Hey guys, welcome to the new vlog, and this is the second vlog in the Know Your BMW series. So in this vlog we are going to have a look at the BMW keys and what it does and what it does not do. Alright guys, so let's get started. Alright guys, so this is the BMW's key, and you can see that there are 4 buttons. This is the button to unlock the car. This is the button with BMW logo to lock the car. If you hold it for a second, it will open up the boot. And this is the button that you can. It is basically an assigned button. You can assign any of the feature of this car to this button. So let's check every button one by one. Cool. So currently the car is unlocked. Car is locked, sorry, and this is the button to unlock it. You can see the automatic mirror comes out and the headlight turns on. Alright guys, so next button is this lock button. We press it. Again, everything goes in the end. Alright guys, so we are at the rear side of the car and this is the key. So I'm gonna hold this key. So boots open up, but unfortunately it does not shut down automatically. No. Alright, so I'm just shutting this door down. So the next feature is interesting. You have to press the unlock button, hold it for a second, and you will see that all the windows are opening up. So this is very important feature when your vehicle is parked outside in a very hot season. This will definitely help us. Now if you press the unlock button and hold it for a second, it will again close all the windows. That's it for this vlog guys. In next vlog we will be doing automatic parking feature of this car, and if you like the video, please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks.